Now I want to demonstrate the most frequently used control knobs. We have horizontal position, that's this knob. We have horizontal sensitivity, 5 milliseconds per division, 2 milliseconds per division, 10 milliseconds per division, 20 milliseconds per division. What's appropriate is to show 2 or 3 cycles. So that would be probably the most appropriate horizontal setting for this particular signal. Now for vertical settings, we have on channel 1, we have the vertical position on this knob, and we have the vertical sensitivity with this knob. Right now, channel 1 is set at 5 volts per division vertically. There's 2 volts per division, 10 volts per division, 20 volts per division. 5 volts per division may be best for showing this signal. And then channel 2 has exactly the same pair of knobs, vertical position on channel 2 and vertical sensitivity on channel 2. Right now, 20 millivolts per division, 50 millivolts per division, 100 millivolts per division. So that's a good sensitivity on channel 2 vertical signal. The lighted indicators, that's a button. If you press it, you can turn on and off channel 1, same with channel 2. And while channel 1 is selected, for example, the AC coupling and DC coupling can be selected. Once it shows there, you can press this, and now then channel 1 is AC coupled. Those are the most commonly used knobs on the oscilloscope, most frequently used knobs on the oscilloscope. There are hundreds of other options and features available through all of the other buttons, and those are the most frequently used knobs.